All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good evening, YouTubers, traders, wherever you are. My name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So, today is May 27th. Yeah, today is May 27th. Time is 10 minutes before market open. So, I already have the stock lineup. I got the CCL cruise line, UAL United Airlines, NCLH is another cruise line, DAL this is Delta Airlines, mRNA is pharmacy slash biotech company, Citigroup Financial Services, MRSN this is another biotech company, and STNE I believe this is some kind of software. STNE, hold on. STNE, yeah. Some kind of software, cloud-based financial service company. So it's up by 23%. And MRSN, I think, is even higher. MRSN is 44%. So okay, so what's up in the market? Nothing in the market. Nothing. So 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 part of the US is reopening after a couple of weeks lockdown. The S&P is basically a little bit flat. S&P on daily, it's just 1%. Well, so it's a bit more optimistic. So time is 5 minutes before market open. Um, so I was thinking, I know there is some kind of technical glitches when I do the streaming. So I was thinking of moving to Zoom. But again, for Zoom, in order for you in order for the audience to look at the actual trading, you have to. I think I have to send you a notification or an email or something saying that, hey, let's go. It's just basically telling you what's the internet address for the Zoom meeting, right? So I was thinking of moving to Zoom because, well, first of all, I think it's probably much cleaner than YouTube, than going live on YouTube, because when you're going live on YouTube, sometimes there is a lag, right? And I'm exploring the possibility of moving to Zoom. So if you hear this, and if you have any thought, you can comment, right, and saying that yeah, Zoom might be a good idea, um, because I think it will be much cleaner for you to look at it. Yeah, I I started playing around after this. So the idea is moving the live trading into Zoom, and then after that put the recording on YouTube, because I think it's much simpler and much cleaner. Yeah. So if you have any suggestion or any idea, any input, I'm open. I'm welcome any suggestion. Uh, because otherwise I might be doing this thing starting next week or so. Yeah, starting next week. So all of the live trading will be moved to Zoom. Uh, then the YouTube is just left with the recording, right? With the recording on the trading itself. CCL is heavy volume on CCL. Uh, Daily base, I think they're starting to go back up again. Oh, let me check. Uh, Boeing stock. What happened with Boeing? Boeing. Hmm. I don't know Boeing is a good long-term investment or not, but I guess in retrospect you can say that Boeing is a good long-term investment, right? Because it held so many military contract from U.S. government, and I don't think that U.S. government will allow Boeing to fail, right? So it can get. I don't think it can get any lower than these $100. $100 on Boeing is unheard. So the last time it held this low is almost 8 years ago, 7 years ago. I don't think it can get any lower on Boeing, but anyway. Okay, so 30 seconds to market open. Okay, let's see. CCL. Okay, market open. AAL might be weak. Nothing yet, so switch this. Wow, hey, American Airlines very weak. Okay, I'm entering Citigroup. So let's see. Yeah, right. Stopped out on Citigroup. Delta Airline. Delta Airline looks interesting. I am long on Delta Airline. Yeah, I'm re-entering again long on Citigroup. CCL. I'm going short on CCL. S&P seems quite weak, so yeah. Should have taken more size on CCL. Okay, out of CCL, yeah, it's dropping. Alright, so let's see this one. CCL. I'm thinking of re-entering CCL. So um, yeah, so CCL is a good thing that I returned. Alright, returning short on UAL. Alright, we're entering Citibank, sorry, Citigroup. I know. Ah, this bad idea entering Citigroup. CCL, I think, is about to drop. Come on. So I am I'm still minus. So at one point I was minus $100, right? Because I make this bad trade on Citibank, I'm sorry, Citigroup, right? On Citigroup. So, uh, but I made my money back on CCL. Then I'm still minus $31. Uh, I think I might call it a day. Um, well, you win some, you lose some, right? And then keep your keep your losing small. Oh, look at this. Hmm, let me see. Okay, so you guys see this one, right? So right about when I'm about to exit my my live streaming, this thing happened, right? I keep seeing that this following this 5 minutes moving average, so I naturally I run enter heavy in here, and then quickly scale down, right? I'm sorry, quickly exit out of my position, and finish up with plus 36 bucks. 36 bucks is slightly less than 1% of my account, which I think considering is not bad, right? It's not really bad. So I oh, S&P is still very weak. Look at this. I wonder if I can start short this. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Um, so let's just gonna review all of my trade back, right? So CCL, what happened is CCL is started strong, but when you look at the S&P 500, they're just weak, right? So when the market is weak, the overall market is weak, then naturally your stock, your any stock will be weak, right? It's just like when you're in the ocean, you know, the tide will move all of the ship, right? So it's the same thing. So even though SECL is strong, but it trending down. So I try to enter here. I should take more size on this CCL. Hmm. Let's see if I can. So yeah, 1% of my okay. That's I promise that's the last one. Okay, guys. So that's 1% of my account, right? So $52 out of 5,000. Again, yeah. If you see the stock is weak, so what happens is you just keep trading it on the way down, right? So I enter here, scalp, right? Enter scalp, enter in here and scalp. See, all of this stock is following this 5 moving average nicely. So that's the problem with that one. So I'm at 1% of my account, which is not bad considering that I almost lost $100 in the beginning of the trade. So that's on CCL. The other one that I take, Citigroup is really bad trade, right? I mentioned before I lost a lot on Citi. I lost like $90. I should have known that when the stock failed to this is the first fail to reach the initial high. So the stock is usually big, right? You look at this. This is like a triple top already. It's forming triple top. These two here is forming a double top, right? So this is a stupid move to enter long in here, right? So I should not enter long, right? Or if anything, I should enter short right now, because I think it's just stock is just gonna go down. So I make mistake here. I make mistake guessing the direction of the trade, and I pay the price. This one, especially my third one, is really bad. Yeah. So that's on the UAC Citigroup. UAL is the same. It's weak. So I try to enter long, but I misread the direction. So I quickly exit. So then I short on this position after it failed to reach to breach this 5 moving average and quickly scalp down, right? Okay, so that's the trade for today. I think yeah, let me see. Down UAL. Yeah, so all in all, 1% of my account size, and again, I think I'm just gonna end my live trading. If yeah, if I make some trade, I probably update it later on, but probably not. Okay, my name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. And if you like to follow our live trading, Monday through Friday, 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, 8:30 p.m. Indonesian time, or 9:30 in the morning New York times. Thank you.